Hello viewers, today we are going to unbox a Timex watch. This Timex watch is an automatic mechanical watch. Before I show you this one, I am going to show you two more watches. This is a Timex quartz watch and I used to wear this in my school days. This is a super reliable watch with a metal bracelet. Then we have got a very cheap one. This is also a very reliable watch and very cheap. The beautiful thing about Timex is that they sell watches super cheap, but they are super reliable also with a leather strap, beautiful leather strap. Now let's dive into this one. I always wanted to buy an automatic watch and finally I got one. Timex sells very affordable watches. Now Timex has become my favorite brand because I have always bought Timexes and they are very reliable watch. And I thought that buying a Timex automatic would be a fantastic decision because I wanted to buy a mechanical watch and Timex is the best choice. Now let's unbox this. So as you can see, this is a very classic design, a skeleton dial watch. Let's keep it aside and see what's inside. They have given a card and Timex. They have given a user manual, and I noticed that there is a very beautiful thing about this user manual, and that is they have given all the service centers available in India here. For example, I live in the East Zone, West Bengal, Kolkata. So these are the service centers where I can take this watch. So after that we have a very beautiful card, and this card is very beautiful with a pocket watch design and Timex. Behind this watch they have written about their short history and 165 years of watchmaking. Nice job, man. Then we have got this thing which was actually attached with the watch. Here the price is written and the name of the watch, and behind this one we have got a QR code. When you buy a Timex watch, install the Timex app also and then scan this QR code to see if this is a genuine Timex or not. Then you can also do the warranty registration from there. I am keeping this card, man. This is very nice. So now let's dive deep into this watch. Beautiful pillow. After that the watch, and remove this thing, and as you can see inside this very nice movements as expected from a skeleton watch, and behind this a see-through case, all stainless steel, 21 jewels automatic watch, 44 case, water resistant 50 and we have got a rotor here and this beautiful thing here, 21 jewels and beautiful one. When you first buy this one, the primary job of you should be winding up this watch, so you have to rotate this 40 times as mentioned in this user manual here. So I am very happy to get this one, and as you can see how beautiful the second hand is ticking. Really fantastic. I am going to stare at this watch for the whole year or so, and really beautiful, nothing to say more. This is such a classic watch, and this is an automatic watch, man, with a leather strap and with beautiful stitching over there. Here the Timex is written, Timex, and genuine leather 22, and beautiful watch, beautiful crown and everything. The watch case, very stunning design, looks so classic. So I am going to wear this in my medical college because I am starting my medical college life. So I am very happy to get this one, and I also think you should also get one Timex.